Hi guys, I'm Sead from Warthog Defense. We have a great story today. Amazing, but Russian attacks on Stepove are not stopping and the level of their casualties is astonishing. But the meat grinder or meat attacks are their specialty. Let's see what else we got.
Today, Russians once again launched attack on Stepove-Avdiivka front, and the Deep State channel is reporting, today's attempt by the enemy to break through to Steppe ended in another fiasco. In the morning, Russians entered the village with the forces of at least 10 BMPs and several tanks. Now their boards are collecting the remains of their bastards for evacuation. Photo from the pilots of 47 Brigade. We expect more video of the fight on their page. Occupied left bank. The 36th Marine Brigade is actively repelling Russian attacks to drive the Ukrainians from their positions. Numerous pieces of Russian equipment were destroyed. Krynky left bank. Assault of the Russians to push out the Ukrainian forces from the bridgehead has turned to massacres. We can't show you the bodies though, but I hope the citizens of Russia are watching all this videos to see how Putin is sending their men to early deaths.
Квадратику, кринок, то все дохла храбачня, в різний період пригандошена, гниє. І ось такий прийнятній для нас, як то кажуть, кількості зрошує поки що не визволену землю. Вибачте, що порушив цензуру.
In 4 months, 20% of the Black Sea Fleet of Russia was destroyed, said the head of the British Ministry of Defense. According to the British minister, the destruction of the ship of the Black Sea Fleet demonstrates that those who believe that the war in Ukraine has reached a dead end are wrong. Russia's dominance in the Black Sea is now under threat, and a new coalition of naval forces led by Great Britain and Norway is helping to ensure Ukraine's victory at sea, he concluded.
Вот зря мы сюда пошли, там осколки прилетят. Поэтому говорю голову. Нифига себе. Тихо, ты чё?
What on earth just happened here? German-made Leopard 2A6 from the Ukrainian 21 Brigade is hit in the turret frontal. All electronics went out, but the armor was not penetrated. This is another proof of the superiority of Western armor. A Russian mobilized man was given 2 buckets of carrots and a bag of onions instead of 3 million rubles for his being wounded. Oleg Rybkin, a mobilized man from Volgograd region, was denied payment of 3 million rubles, $32,600, after being wounded. Local authorities gave his family 2 buckets of carrots and a bag of onions instead. His wife Irina told Mozhem Obyasnit. According to her, 45-year-old Rybkin was drafted to the front on September 25, 2022, just 4 days after Russian President Vladimir Putin announced mobilization. The summons was handed to the man at his job, 2 hours after his arrival at the military enlistment office. He was sent to the firing range without a medical examination. The training lasted about 3 weeks, and by the end of October, Rybkin was already in the trenches on the front line. A Russian military correspondent shows off a Russian flag in the ruins of Mariinka. Here it is, our Mariinka. No homes, no cars, no people. This is what Russia is proud of.
Вот Марьинка. В общем, конечно, дерзкую вылазку совершаем. Никого нет, видите? Ни машин, ни людей. Вон оно, знамя Победы, знамя 150-й Идринской дивизии. Вот она, наша Марьинка.
Саме головне для людини, щоб був спокій, щоб були твої близькі з тобою рядом, щоб вони могли дітей, внуків побачити. Якщо ви, мабуть, майже кожну людину в Мар'янці спитаєте, що треба тобі для щастя, як то кажуть, то перше, що людина скаже, це мир.
Зараз тиша. Що тихо, то тихо. Ми навіть звикли засинати під канонаду, а зараз думаєш, чи це правда, що так тихо. Ми чуємо зараз, як пташки співають, ми чуємо, як цикади співають ввечері. Навіть ввечері люди сидять на лавочці, і молодь ходить, спілкується між собою, і це дуже радує.
The sooner the collective West realizes that the settlement of the Ukrainian conflict provoked by it is possible only through achieving the goals of the special military operation, the sooner peace will come. Spokesperson for Russian Foreign Affairs Ministry Zakharova. By peace, she means destroying Ukraine. Look at Bakhmut, Mariinka, Syeverodonetsk, and countless other Ukrainian cities where Russia brought peace.
Чем скорее коллективный Запад, так называемый, осознает, что урегулирование спровоцированного им украинского конфликта возможно только через достижение целей специальной военной операции, тем скорее наступит мир.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this story, and the new video is coming up tomorrow. Comment, like, subscribe, become our member, and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.